Hey again, everybody. Today I'm going to break a box of 2012 Contenders. I broke one yesterday and pulled a Russell Wilson redemption for his auto, so it was a nice pull. Let's see what we get today. Overall, I haven't had very good luck with this stuff, but we'll see. Hopefully this is a little bit better. Cutler and McCoy. Well, there's a Vinnie Curry. Regular print. That's the third Vinnie Curry I've gotten. It's fantastic. I opened a box of this stuff last week and got a nice cracked ice Jamal Charles, horribly damaged, of course. So I sent it in. Hopefully they'll be able to get me another one. Aranda Moss. Oh, there's a luck die cut. Rookie of the Year contender. Wish it was a short print. Brian Quick on card. Not bad. Blackman rookie Stallions. No Carlos yet. Courtney Upshaw. Short print. I forgot to see if the Brian Quick was a variation. Nope, normal. Not short print, but variation. Terrence Ganaway, not short print. So far, not very happy with these autographs. Travis Benjamin, variation. Richardson die cut. Tim Benford. Jeez. I think that's the third one of his I've gotten, too. I think every box I see someone open, they get a Tim Benford. Bernard Pierce Stallions. This box is not very good. Luckily, I got the last one with the Russell Wilson in it. Also had a Greg Zuerlein, and believe it or not, for a kicker, he sells pretty darn well. Last pack out of the stellar box. Alright, well that's that. If anyone is interested, leave me a message.